Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a little trick so that your hair doesn't look like this or even worse. For those moms who have to spend a lot of hours in the house, whether it's because you're working from home, or you're taking care of the kids, maybe you're spending all Saturday cleaning, but you need to look good for the night or for the next day, and you just know that you're not going to have the time to blow dry and flat iron and all that crap, right? So this is something very stupid. People forget about it. It's called Rolos. The way you're gonna do it is you always want the first piece of the hair on the top to be rolled this way. Please don't laugh. And then the rest of the hair, you're just gonna break it. Don't worry if it's not exactly even pieces. It's gonna depend on if you want some volume, so you're gonna do it up like this. All right. Or if you want less volume on the top, you're just gonna roll it like this, and you're gonna fill your head with them. Always make sure that you brush before you put the Rolo on. So just stay with it while you're cleaning, cooking for the rest of the day. When you take it off, your hair's gonna have a nice wave. And if you want to flat iron it, it's just gonna take you about 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, if you have a hair like mine, to have it perfectly straight. Hope that helped. And I'm gonna get my Rolos on before this gets worse.